Hi everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back today with a new mixed media layout for the Hip Kit Club design team featuring the March 2022 kits. For this layout, I will use the color kit and I start with the exclusive stencil set Happy Days With You that I use with Modeling Past to create 3D patterns. So I make several patterns in circle art with the first stencil and I dry the patterns as I go so as not to deteriorate them when I rest the stencil on top. I continue with just another stencil. I wouldn't use the other two because I want unstructured and incomplete patterns. I then apply Shimmer Sonic ink to the patterns so that they stand out well and we see them appear. I really like these shapes and the color is really super. I water everything with a little water so that the ink can flow and scatter everywhere. I then splash ink to finish this background. I add the photo after adding underneath crumpled tracing paper, a green striped card and a red flower card from the Pocket Life kit, as well as cardboard to bring dimensions. I cut a lot of flowers from the Just Between Us patterned paper for decoration. So I glue my photo to the left of my page and I arrange the flowers to the left of my photo in an arc. I found these flowers superb, I absolutely had to use them. I also insert leaves and some small red flowers. I love doing this kind of decoration by making clusters of flowers and leaves. I add on my photo at the bottom foam stickers from the Full Bloom collection by Simple Stories, from the embellishment kits, which is just beautiful for my title. Then I add a few more flowers around these foam stickers and on top of another foam stickers just to complete my title. I insert stickers from the Full Bloom book stickers by Simple Stories from the embellishment kit here and there, and some foam stickers, ladybugs. And I finish this layout with splashes of black paint diluted with a little water to bring contrast and to harmonize everything. I hope this layout has inspired you in some way today. I love making it, and this little touch of yellow is really perfect to illuminate this layout. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I wish you a great creative day. See you soon.